We request all the dignitaries to occupy their honorable chairs on the dais. We welcome you all for the Ethnic Day Celebrations 2024 on behalf of Rice Krishna Sai Group of Institutions.